welcome back everyone. Just want to take the headphones off because sometimes it does that. One video I did, I had to put music in there in the first few minute and a couple seconds because the headphones made a weird buzzing thing for like a minute. So I just shut them off and let the video and put it back on. Pretty much got everything cleaned up right here at the beach house. Unfortunately, it's a lot of pieces, a lot of burlap stuff you can see all right here. I'm gonna try to come out tomorrow and clean the burlap plastic pieces. Huge, just big old huge pile of gusting hot wind right now. So yeah, sinky non-sand type stuff going on right here. I'm gonna get a couple of these burlaps before they get back into the ocean too far. Another one, trash can tipped over there, back there by Papa, in the sand, burying its trash in the sand. So some orange guys are over there. They look like a Zonafat. So I pop up one of them things. And it was in the middle of a little poop creek. Poop creek! I hate poop creeks. It was in a little poop creek, and yeah, they all had their stuff on, so yeah, I gotta go out there and get it. Today it's pretty wet, pretty soft right now. Rain's come down. Rain was coming down a little bit at first, and then stopped for quite a while, and now it's coming down again. So completely soaked all the way through, and just trying to grab a couple pieces of more trash, get over there to the trash can. There's a lot of trash. I have to try to come tomorrow, providing the weather's nice. It's just an unbelievable amount. But can never get it all, so just try to get it a little bit. Just didn't really want to see all this burlap laying around because it gets stuck in the teeth of the dolphins. The dolphins floss with it, and I don't like that. I don't want them flossing their teeth with this burlap bag stuff. So yeah, the rain's starting to come down pretty hard right now. Haven't seen any 40-foot waves yet, thank goodness. Plywood and trash, broken plywood everywhere here. Definitely need to come out tomorrow and try to do clean up. Already raining pretty hard and flooding. Already. Not hardly anybody at the beach. Just about 10 of us. 10 hardcores. So yeah, lots of broken plywood pieces. Are going to have to try to see if we can't pick up some of this stuff tomorrow, I guess. It's just too crazy and too wild right now. Nobody's coming to the beach anyway today. Perfect day for cleaning. All this trash washed up right here. Good amount of trash everywhere. Just finishing my 1 hour run. For the most part, it's semi clean. I'm hoping that Hillary will uncover a bunch of the more stuff and get all this burlap uncovered, this plywood and stuff. Maybe we can get a good amount of it cleaned up. Yo, Samson. That's gonna be a good video. Real good video right there. Yeah. I'll have to see about that one. Hillary is getting closer and closer by the minute. I can't believe I had a backwards video going on there for you guys. Yeah, just burlap everywhere. I just I don't know what's wrong. I can't stop picking it up. I just don't like to see foreign objects like that, I guess. And I'm already worn out. I can't even keep on picking. My picker's broke. No, but perfect day to run around and get all the stuff. Should have brought my shovel out, I guess. Sorry about that first part of the video. I didn't know it was showing my big old Puerto Vallarta. Yes, one of the best shirts I ever got. Got it a few years ago in Cabo. And I love it. It's great for going out in the water. SPF 50. People can see you. They can see you plenty far. So paddle around on the boat or something, you can see you. Got a little breakers coming on right here. 40 footers, huh? That's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna make some soup, I think. Some hot soup. Yeah, but looking pretty crazy right here. Thinking about using the restroom right here. It's so nice. And I'm so wet already. No one's gonna know the difference. Water kind of cold. We got a little bit of breeze, a little bit of wind. Mostly rain though. I can't believe I did a backwards video. That's okay though. I think with all the water and stuff, my phone jumped to backwards. So yeah, one hardcore runner, that's me, out today. One hardcore surfer, paddleboarder. I think he had a surfboard. He was down by the pier down there. He left now. Guess I need to get moving. Why? It's gonna be a huge 3 months. I said I was gonna do it, and I don't like to make myself a liar to myself. That's gonna be pretty bad. Hey, I should go do that. And then you make excuses up to yourself for reasons why you don't do it, and why you can't do it, and why you shouldn't do it. I'm doing it. Can't handle this black and white burlap stuff along the beach. Just can't handle it. No, some defect in me. I can't pass it without picking it up. Got problems. Serious trash cleaning problems. But I talked to Ma. She said she's gonna order me up a bag of them garbage bags from Home Depot. I go pick them up on Dennery Road in San Diego Meister. God, I got the greatest mom in the world. She said, I know, seems like something about something. He said, I'm making some X amount of dollars a day. I go, Ma, you're doing fantastic there. Making that much. He said, well, I'll donate you a box of bags, clean the beach. So Mom's got the next box of bags. She said she's buying one box. They will not be used for clothes. They'll only use for picking up trash off the beach. We want each bag filled three bags, 3 times filled with trash. We want the bags filled 3 times. And for each bag, just to give Mom a little bit of fun for her money. You know what I mean? Just grabbing all these little pieces of burlap. It adds up to be quite a lot, you know. Like this whole handful. But I'm glad everybody had their fun. Hope nobody got hurt. And like I said, I hope they figure out something next year where local people can watch. You see what trouble you got to go through just to keep us from watching. Why not just let a couple people watch? You know what I mean? I don't know. This is my opinion. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. I don't know, I'm down here, like 40-foot waves, but I'll try to keep an eye on what's going on. Got a little light spot right here in the sky. A little break up in the calm before the storm. She should hit about 2-3 o'clock. That's when the big old monster's gonna come in. So they say. So let's see what happens. They did clean all the trash cans up and got them all off the beach. So that's a good thing. So I'm gonna pitch this over into this one by the Pelicanos, and then I'm gonna be heading back to take my hot cold shower. So thanks again, you guys, and we'll try to be out tomorrow cleaning at the beach. See if we can find some more burlap bags. All right, thank you guys. Be safe out there. We'll see you this weekend at the beach.